Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to use Instagram selfie sticker by using your Android mobile. At same time, if you are an iOS user, you can post this selfie sticker to your Instagram story section. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application. So now in this homepage section, in top of right side, it has the two icons, and one is search icon and another one is messenger icon. So just press that second one and it shows my Insta followers contacts. So here I try to select one of my friends contact. So now in this chat section, you can press this face smiley icon and it is placed behind that gallery icon. And then I get this selfie sticker. So simply select it. So now my front camera starts to capture the selfie, and also in bottom it has the some effects. So you can choose your favorite one. So once you select any one of them and simply press this boomerang icon to capture your selfie. So finally my selfie is ready. So if you like to save this sticker, just press save sticker option. So otherwise simply click to send this sticker to your friend. So now my selfie sticker is successfully delivered to my friend, and this is method 1. So next method is, if you have iPhone, you can share this selfie sticker to your story section. So how to do it? So just go back to your Instagram profile section. So now in this section, in top of left side, it has the one icon like plus symbol. So simply press this icon and one drop down window is opening. So here you can select story. And now my mobile camera is ready to take a selfie. So here I take a one image. So once you take a image, now in this section, in top it shows some icons. So same way you can press that smiley icon and scroll down. And here also I get the same selfie sticker. So simply select it. And here also it has the some effects. So you can select your favorite one. And then take a selfie by simply press this boomerang icon. And my selfie sticker is successfully captured. So same way you can save your sticker by simply press this save sticker option. So otherwise, if you like to post this sticker on your story section, just press this up arrow mark and then press send to icon. So finally you can see now my selfie sticker is successfully posted on my story section. So this is the way you can easily share your Instagram selfie sticker by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.